Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome to economics online classes. In the statistics for economics, we are discussing about the third lesson, organization of data. In the organization of data, we are discussing about the frequency distribution, frequency curve and how to make a tally marking. So let us discuss about variable. In that there are two types of variables. There are variables are containing two types. One is continuous variable, other one is discrete variable. There are two types in the variable. One is continuous variable, other one is discrete variable. Variable means you know that change in the facts or values in the distribution. Change in the facts or values in the frequency distribution are said to be the variables. Variations. So how the values changes, that is said to be the variable factors. Which factor influencing changing that particular factors. Already in the previous class I said about the meaning of continuous variable and discrete variable. Continuous variable are those variables with this which value of the variable is in the continuity, in the same order. I said the example 1, 2, 3, 4 or 10, 11, 12, 13 like this, or 50, 51, 52, 53 like these values in the continuous order. You can take any numerical values, any integral values or any fractional values 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 like that. You can take root of 2, root of 20, root of 25 like that. You can take any integral values or any numerical values or any fractional values. Discrete values are those students which the values are not in the continuous order. Value may jump from one value to other value, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100. As I said, marks scored by the students in a class is a example for discrete variable, not in the continuous order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But students' roll number in the class is in the continuous order. Roll number of a student in the class. For example, roll number given in the class 101 starts from 101 means 101, 102, 103 like this. 200 students means till the 200. It is in the continuous order. Roll number of students is in the continuous order. Best example it is for the continuous variable. And number of students in the class. Number of students in the different classes, different sections. So one class may have the science class may have the 60, PCMB having 60, PCMC having 70 or MS may have the 80. Like that value jump from one value to other value 60, 70, 80. Value jump from one value to other value, one value to other value. Thus the value which is jumped from one value to other value is said to be the discrete variable. Values are not in the continuous order. The value jump from one value to other value. Continuous variable means roll number of a student mark this and also the numbers occurring in the numbers given to the students. Thus variable means change in the facts or values. Let us see the differences between continuous variable and discrete variable. So continuous variable, it can take any numerical values. It can take any numerical values. It can take any numerical values. In continuous variable, it can also take any fractional values. It can take any fractional values or it can take any integral values, or it may take any numerical values. fractional values, integral values or any numerical values. Thus, continuous variable best example 1, 2, 3, 4, root of 2 like that, root of 10 like this. You can take any values, or you can take the fractional values like 0.1, 0.25, 0.3, 0.5 like that. You can take the any fractional values. So here you may take any numerical values, any integral values. Values should be in the continuous order. So continuous variable values should be in the continuous order. So one may take either integral values, fractional values, or he may take any numerical values. And variables can be seen in the different kinds. For example, continuous order 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Like these values may you can take in the continuous variable. Values occurs in a continuous manner. Values occurs in the observation in a continuous manner. So value never jumps. Value never jumps from one value to other value. Continuously you can take height you can take as a continuous variables. For example, discrete variable. Under the discrete variable, it never takes any numerical values in the continuous manner. It can take any numerical values, but discrete variable never take any continuous numbers. Values jump from one value to other value. Value may jump from one value to other value, one value to another value, one value to another value. For example, so this discrete variable never takes fractional values, never takes into consideration, that is fractional values, or it never takes integral values, or it never takes any numerical values in the continuous manner. Any numerical values in the continuous manner. It may take the numerical values, but it never takes the numerical values in the continuous order, in a continuous order or continuous manner. So values, for example, values which occurs and the value jump from one value to other value. As I said the example, marks scored by the students in a class never same, never in the continuous order. One may score 10, one may score 5, one may score 15, 25, 100, 50 like that. Value which is jump from one value to other value are said to be the discrete variable. It never takes the continuity. It never continues in order, never continuous and never maintains continuity in the order. But continuous variable are values lies in the infinite manner. So no end for that. Infinite manner it can take the values. But discrete values are finite numbers. So the value may jump from one value to other value and it will be and anywhere else. So 10 to 100 is there. 10, 5, 15, 25 or 100, 50 like that, any values we can count. Thus this is the main difference between the continuous variable and discrete variable. Next class we are going to see the differences between method of frequency distribution, that is two methods. There are two methods, exclusive method and inclusive method, meaning example and differences between the exclusive method and inclusive method. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.